Hello student, welcome to the hands-on training session, or you can say practical session. Today's topic is mail merge. So what is mail merge? I hope this chapter is covered by the teacher, but again I am repeating what is mail merge. So mail merge actually give you the features to handle or you can say create multiple document at once. Okay, what kind of a documents they are asking about? This letters. Okay, so you actually what in this mail merge what we are doing, suppose we are writing one letter and we can send the multiple people. Previously the email concept is not there, so that point of time people are searching for a substitute one. So how to reduce their work? So they come across this concept of mail merge. They are actually writing one letter and sending this multiple people. Okay, there are two ways are there to do this mail merge. Okay, one is the step by step wizard option is there. Okay, look at this. You have to open a Word document and click on the mailing tab. Okay, then you have to click on start mail merge. Okay, so there is an option called step by step mail merge visual. Using this you can start, or using this separate option called letter, and we can proceed. So in this two way we can proceed. Today we will learn about how we can proceed to the step by step mail merge wizard. Okay, now I'm starting the session. So first what we are doing, see I have written a letter. Okay, so what we have to do, you have to click on the mailing tab, then click on the start mail merge option, then you have to click on the step by step mail merge wizard. As soon as you have clicked, see this one panel has been generated. Okay, so here what is showing you over here, that is what type of document are you working with. We will only working with the letters. Okay, it is already chosen. Okay, so after already chosen, so that point of time what we have to do, we have to write the letter. I have previously typed it, but here you have to type the whole letter. Okay, now see the option over here. See, it is showing step 1 of 6. Click on next. Okay, click on next. If you click on next, then one option is showing that how you do want to set up your letters. Use the current document or start temple. After writing the letter, this letter you want to send, so that's why you will always choose use the current document. Okay, then again click the next option. Okay, if you click on the next option, then select recipient option will come. Okay, so the option is there, use existing list, select Outlook contacts and type new list. As you are doing the mail merge for the first time, no contact list is exist, okay, with you, so that's why you have to choose type new list. As soon as you click the type new list, there is an option called create. You will click on create. So this new address list dialog box will open. What you have to do, you have to fill this. Okay, so how up to how many times you have to fill this, in how many number of candidate you want to send. Okay, title, what kind of an invitation is this? Is a birthday. Okay, birthday invitation, or title just invitation. Okay, right, first name is whom you want to send. Company name is not required because it's not a formal letter, so you can skip it. Okay, how we can move, see over here a button is there. Okay, so company name we will skip. If address is too long, then we can choose the address line 2, otherwise in address line 1 we can write. It is not necessary that you have to give the correct address or something like this. Give any address. Okay. Then the next field is the city. It means if it is required, you can fill the address line 2 also. City, here I am giving Kolkata. It is not necessary that you will give the city name as Kolkata. Okay. So you can give any city name. Okay. Fill this state. State is it is something like that. If you are sending to a friend who is residing in Bhubaneswar, so you have to write that one. Okay, don't write the West Bengal for it. Okay, and zip code is nothing but the pin code. Okay, zip code is simply the pin code. Okay, rest of these options are there, that is country name or something, that's you don't need to fill. Okay, so up to this you will fill, and after that 1% entry has been done, then you have to click for the new entry for the second one. Okay, second one I am also typing. I am giving this random address and okay. I'm putting randomly. Okay. Okay, so I'm here and in this address new list I am giving only 2 entries, but try using by 5 entries. Okay, so click on again new entry, then you will click on. In this way you can continue up to 5. I'm only showing 2. After the completion you will click on OK. As soon as you click on OK, then you have to save your address list. Okay, choose the path where you want to save it in the desktop. It's better to save in the desktop, and give a file name. What is address book? So you can give it as add1. Okay, after giving it add1, you can give any name. Okay, just to remember that which name you are giving, because you require this later on. Okay, save. Okay, so as soon as you have saved, check all the details about this friends or information about the recipient is coming. If it is correct, then click on OK option. Okay, so we have created the recipient list. So what you have to do, click on the address list and check, see address list okay or not. If it is okay, then click OK. But what you have to do, that next you have to click on insert merge field. Okay, in the address book you don't need to enter address, you just check it, address block, insert mail merge. Then first you insert title, then click enter, then first name, enter, last name, enter, address, enter, city, enter, state, enter, and finally the zip code. See, you are able to see this one. Okay, so we have done this one. Here you can see for 1, for 2, because I have only added 2 recipient. You can check for 5 recipient it will show you 1 2 3 4. And after putting all the details, but here I have, see, after dear you have to put, again go to insert merge field, first name. Okay, see, first name. Then you have to click on finish mail merge. See, the option is a individual document. You click on individual document and you have to click on the all record, means for the all recipient you want to add. As soon as you have added, see how many invitation is generated. This for particularly for one, this for is for second. Okay, I have added only 2 recipient, that's why 2 letter is generated. If you add 5 recipient contacts, then it will be generated 5. In this way you can, using step by step wizard, mail merge wizard, you can do the mail merge. Thank you student, I'm ending my lecture.